I need to know where I put it in. Okay. So from here, I put it in with a small bit coming out.
Other side. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wait. No. Don't put it in yet. Go back a step. Okay, and then make sure it's matching, and then okay, yeah, now that's right.
Told you.
No, you're pushing it in the wrong way.
What do you mean?
I mean, those things go in from this side and they go that way.
What?
Okay, let me show you real quick.
Can you please pull it out?
Yeah. Whoa, lost it.
Okay.
What it's trying to tell you is that it goes from this side through to that side, and you were pushing it from this side into that way.
Oh, so it says
yeah. So the long part going through. Yep.
Like that.
Yep. I do believe. If not, then I'll have to just pull it out with the tweezers. Not tweezers. Pliers.